It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're conveniently located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2023 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali HD. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Denali. The driver's door has power door locks, the programmable memory seat, power windows, power folding and power extending side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder, and you'll notice the Sierra comes with a premium Bose sound system. To the left of the steering wheel is the head-up display button and information tab. Trailer mode. By turning this dial to the right, we have various drive modes appear on the dash. Two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive, some lighting controls and dials including automatic headlamps with an electric park brake down below. The floor mats on the floor have a removable carpeted insert, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, a jet black leather interior, Denali embroidery in both headrests, along with a power sunroof overhead. Next I'm going to hop in and we'll take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel, the left side having our cruise control buttons with forward collision alert, and to the right are the audio and Bluetooth controls. This is our driver information center. We're able to cycle through the dash using the arrow buttons found on the steering wheel. Overhead, a programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, rear window slider, and OnStar. This is our rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the screen. This is GMC's infotainment center equipped with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This touchscreen displays the outside temperature, the time. It's equipped with navigation. Our shortcut buttons are down below. It's got Wi-Fi capabilities, our trailering app, and this screen doubles as our backup camera with guidance. HD surround vision allows us to change the camera view by simply pushing those buttons at the bottom of the screen. The hard buttons for the infotainment screen are just down below. Dual zone climate control buttons with air conditioning, heated and ventilated front seats, the exhaust brake, lane departure warning, park assist, tailgate release, hazard lights, traction control, hill descent control. That last button there to the far right is for the power retractable running boards. We also have the integrated trailer brake controller, some USB ports, and a power plug-in. This is the wireless charging pad. Simply place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. No slip matting, dual cup holders, and last we'll take a peek in the center console where we have some additional USB ports, LED lighting, and a center console safe. Starting at the front of the Denali, you'll notice that unique Denali grille, chrome tow hooks, fog lights, signature C-shaped LED headlamps, a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine under the hood, 20-inch gloss black alloy wheels. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the integrated turn signal indicator, chrome mirror caps and door handles, keyless entry, keyless start, and remote start, rear tinted windows, power retractable running boards with perimeter lighting, a box side step, the rear window slider, and as we make our way toward the very back here, you'll notice the CornerStep bumper. Those corner steps can be found on either side of the bumper for quick and easy access to the box of the truck. This truck has GM's easy lift and lower tailgate. I'm going to use our key fob, push that button twice to drop the tailgate down. It also has GMC's 6-way MultiPro Tailgate. By pushing 2 additional buttons, we drop that tailgate step down with ease. That tailgate step also has the GMC MultiPro Tailgate Step Lights. The box of the truck has a spray-in box liner with the Denali logo, the Gooseneck 5th wheel package, 12 cargo hooks, LED box lighting, and a power plug-in. Next, we'll be taking a look inside the back of this 5-passenger truck. Our passenger door has power windows, door storage with a cup holder, and a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, dual cup holders, heated rear outboard seats, some USB ports and plug-ins. The floor mats on the floor have a removable carpeted insert. The middle seat folds down into dual cup holders or an armrest. Behind the seat storage can be found behind either one of those rear seats, as well as under seat storage compartments accessible by simply lifting those rear seats up. So come take a look at the 2023 GMC Sierra 3500 Denali HD, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.